Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how to crochet this cute beaded necklace or choker, but the best part is you can easily turn it into a bracelet, an anklet or even a waistband. It's super quick to make and is a great little gift or an accessory for yourself. So grab your hook and yarn and let's get started. You'll need some beads, any kind you like. Just make sure the holes are big enough for your yarn or thread. You'll need yarn. I'm using 100% cotton yarn. You'll need sewing thread, just a little bit. And of course you'll need a hook, size 2 millimeters. You'll need a thin sewing needle and a scissor. To start this project, you need to thread your needle with a sewing thread. This part can be a bit tricky, so take your time. Once the thread is through the needle, cut it and tie the two ends together in a knot. So you create a loop like this. Now take your yarn and pull it through the thread loop like this. Using the needle, you're now going to thread the beads onto the yarn one by one. Just push the needle through each bead and slide it down the yarn. Keep going until you have 16 beads on the yarn. This necklace is designed to fit my neck, which measures about 32 centimeters. If your neck is smaller or larger than mine, you can simply remove or add beads to adjust the size. When you got 16 beads on the yarn, slide all the beads about a meter away from the working end of the yarn. On the end of the yarn, make a slip knot. And then chain 20. After you chained 20, slide the first bead up to your hook and make a chain stitch around the bead like this. Try to make the chain nice and tight so the bead stays in place. Then you chain 4, and slide your next bead up to the hook. Again, make a tight chain around the bead. Then you chain 4 again. Keep repeating this pattern. Slide up a bead, chain tightly around it, and chain 4. Continue doing this until all 16 beads are attached. If you want, you can adjust the number of chains between the beads if you want them to sit closer together or further apart. You can customize it however you like. Once all the beads are added, it's time to make the chain. For my necklace, I chained 50, which gives me about 22 centimeters. This chain allows the necklace to fit over my head, and my head is about 55 centimeters. So if your head is a bit larger, feel free to add more chains. When you chain your desired length, pull the yarn through the last chain and cut the yarn and tighten to finish. Now you're gonna tie a knot as close to the end of the chain as you can. Do this slowly and carefully. Then tie another knot on top of it for extra security. Then you cut the yarn close to the knot. Repeat the same process on the other side of the necklace. Now it's time to make the necklace adjustable so it fits over your head and sits nicely. Place the necklace in front of you so the long end is on your right side. Start by placing the long end on top. Then you take the short end and cross it over. Then you cross it behind like this. And then you put the end through the loop right here. And tighten it. As you can see, it's now adjustable. You can size it up or down to fit just right. And that's it. Your beaded crochet necklace is finished. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to customize your own jewelry. Let me know in the comments how yours turned out, or if you made it into something else like a bracelet or anklet. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly crochet tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.